Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use GOG Galaxy 2.0. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Here's a general guide on how to use GOG Galaxy 2.0. Launch GOG Galaxy 2.0 from your desktop or start menu. If you have a GOG account, sign in using your credentials. If not, you can't create a new account within the GOG Galaxy 2.0 client. The Game tab displays your game library, and here you can view and manage the games you've added to GOG Galaxy 2.0 from different platforms. Use the Add Games and Friends feature to import games from platforms like Steam, Epic Games Store, Origin, and more. You can also connect with friends using this feature. The Store tab allows you to browse and purchase games available on GOG.com. You can buy games directly from the GOG store and add them to your library. In the Friends tab, you can view your friends list, chat with friends, and see the gaming activity if they're also using GOG Galaxy. Now, access the Settings menu to customize various aspects of GOG Galaxy 2.0, including preferences, notifications, integrations, and more. From your game, you can install and launch games directly from GOG Galaxy. Simply choose the game you want to play and click on the Install or Play button. GOG Galaxy 2.0 automatically manages game updates for games in your library, ensuring they're kept up to date with the latest patches and fixes. And explore additional features of GOG Galaxy such as cloud saves, achievements, game overlays, and more to enhance your gaming experience. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.